We start with breaking news out of the state capitol. The Minnesota Supreme Court ruled in favor of the DFL in the battle over how many members are needed to conduct business during the legislative session. Republicans have continued to hold hearings, claiming they've had a quorum despite only having 67 members. Our chief political reporter, Tom Hauser, joins us now with more on the ruling and what it means in the effort to get the session underway. And Tom, it still might not be straightforward.
It is not. If you thought the Minnesota House was a complicated mess before this Supreme Court ruling, as the saying goes, hold my beer. The Minnesota Supreme Court ruled a quorum to organize and conduct business in the Minnesota House is 68 members, not 67. Since last week, Republicans have operated the House and elected a speaker with 67 votes. But even though this ruling favors the DFL position, it also backs them into a political corner. Now, if they show up on the House floor and give Republicans a quorum, Republicans can still use their 67 to 66 advantage to elect a speaker, name committee chairs, and enact rules. Within the past half hour, House DFL leader Melissa Hortman responded to the ruling in a virtual press availability.
That means that if neither caucus has an outright majority, that nothing can happen unless we work together. This is what Democrats have been saying since the election, that we need to work together in order to get things done. And we are anxious to get together with Republicans, and we're hopeful that the court's order now enables us to move forward and reach a negotiated agreement.
Meanwhile, Republican Speaker-designate Lisa Demuth issued a statement saying this decision drives home the fact that Democrats are disrespecting not just their own constituents, but the entire state of Minnesota by refusing to do their jobs. Meanwhile, Secretary of State Steve Simon also issuing a statement because he also filed a petition with the Supreme Court. Under state law, the Secretary of State presides over the House until a quorum is established. Simon says, quote, I look forward to reconvening the House of Representatives and to working with an organized legislature to advance the interests of all Minnesotans. However, if 68 members don't show up, he'll have to adjourn and the stalemate will continue. Now, as of the last half hour, Hortman said no new talks were scheduled with Republicans. We'll have much more on this developing story tonight on Nightcast. Lindsay?
All right, so will they show up? We'll keep following it. Thank you so much, Tom.